Hello everyone. Today's date is 31 December 2021. I am Amol Ankush Wagmale. Today I have discussed topic of set in Java. So basically, set in Java is the interface of Java UTL package. The set interface extends the collection interface. The unordered collection or list which duplicate are not allowed referred as collection interface. The set is interface create mathematical set. The set interface use the collection interface is the interface that extends the set of implementation. Sorted set and navigable set is used for the two interfaces that extend the set of implementation. Um, Set is a implement the collection, and set have also two parts are implement. That is first one sorted set, and second one is navigable set. And set have uh, four parts are extend the class. That is first one is uh, hash set, second linked hash set, third enum set, and fourth tree set. So discuss about navigable set and sorted set. Those set are interfaces. The navigable set extend the sorted set, so it will not return the insertion order and store the data in sorter array. In sorter array, we have three types of operation. That is on the set, we can perform all the basic mathematical operation like intersection, union, and difference. Suppose we are create two sets, set 1 and set 2. We can perform some operation. That is first one intersection. The intersection operation retail all those elements which are present in both sets. The intersection of set 1 and set 2 will be same element display. Second one union. The union operation retains the all the elements set 1 and set 2 in a single set, and that set can either set 1 or set 2. The union set 1 and set will be that are print the these two values, those are not available in two sets. Second, third difference. The difference operation deletes the value from set which are present in another set. The difference of set 1 and set 2 will be they displays only same values, only these values are not same in these two sets. In set method, add all method is used method perform union conditions. Return all method used to perform intersections, and remove all methods is used to perform difference. Set example, that is first example is eh, we have create set 1 and set 2, that is a and b type. After that create two sets, the type of integer. We convert both array into list and add elements of array a into set 1 and array b elements on set 2. For performing the union, we create new set union data with same element of set 1. We then call add all method, then offset pass the set to an argument. This method will add all those elements to the union data which are not present in it and gives union of both sets. Then for performing intersection, we create new sets intersection with same element of set 1. We then call the return all method of set and pass the set 2 as an argument. This method will be those element of intersection data which are present in set 2 and store in the intersection data of value of both sets. Then for performing different operation, we use set difference data with same element of the set 1. When we call the remove all method of set, pass the set to an argument to it. This method remove all the elements from difference data which are present in set 2, gives the difference of both sets. Sets methods have different types of method, that is add all, empty, retain. That's all. That's all about today topic. Thank you.